Yo, what's up, Fedsters? Welcome back to another day of fishing with Fred. Just got off work. We're gonna head to the pond, stop by the tackle shop on the way home, and I got some underspins and some skinny bear, skinny shad eye swim baits to put on the back of those underspins. So we're gonna head over there, see if we can get us some bass. See you when we get there. Bam! This guy caught me not filming. Yeah. Thanks, man. The underspin skinny bear. Got him done. Nice 2-3. Nice 2-3 right here. He caught me not. Alright guys, so I've been throwing this underspin for probably about an hour now, and I finally kind of figured out what I think what speed they wanted at. Because I did catch that one, but he caught me not filming, so. But I just had another one bite it twice right now. So. I think I'm figuring out the speed. Just kind of letting this thing fall to the bottom and just kind of slow rolling it back in, just popping it. That's the cast right there. Let it fall for a few seconds and just slow roll it back in. Just pop it. Oh! Woo! Missed him. Definitely missed that one. Almost fell in my face right now. Alright, so they're liking the poppiness. So, definitely miss that guy. The same cast. Let it fall again. Try to do the same thing over again, see if I can get that guy to bite again. So. Oh, it's a stick! Alright, well I hooked the crap out of that stick right now, so. Alright, well, I just hooked the crap out of that stick, so lost it. And then another skinny bear. Woo! He was stalking it too. I felt him hit the tail. Boom, 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 boom. So then I just sped the thing up like a fleeing bait fish. And he decided just to chomp on it. Woo! Catching nothing but some chunkers today. That's another 2-3 right there. Just get a sniff on him real quick. Let this female go, get ready for the spawn. Thanks, brother. I felt him hit the tail like twice, boom, boom. And then I decided just to wind it back in real quick to see if I can have him react to it, and sure enough, he did. So I've never really thrown an underspin before. It's my first day really. And I messed around with it for about an hour and kind of messed around with the cadence and the retrieval speeds and stuff like that. And then I finally got one fish to hit, and then kind of just been going off of trying to mimic that, going off the same way. And like you see, I just caught another one on it. So heck yeah, let's see if we're gonna upgrade to a bigger size one. this up. Throw this out a couple more times. We're gonna call it a day. Hungry.